and it stops them throwing things at us, which they sometimes like to do for some reason, I don't know why. So we wave and we smile, and usually we make it through just fine. Now, we're not safe yet because there's another bridge on this side, so do keep waving. From left to right, John Milton, William Shakespeare, Francis Bacon, and Sir Isaac Newton. Ahead of us here we have the newest bridge to span the Thames. This is the Millennium Bridge. You probably know it better as the Wibbly Wobbly Bridge. Opened by the Queen on a Saturday morning. There's no stage lighting. It's all done as it would have been done back in Shakespeare. This is the Southwark Road Bridge we're now going to pass beneath. As we get down through 400 years, the original, he shipped it out to America, and it now stands across lakes. Who have joined us at Greenwich, for the benefit of these passengers to bring safety in. Okay? Now the vessel you're travelling on is brilliant bridge with land saving apparatus, which comes in the form of land rafts, flag rings and land check-ins. And in a highly unlikely event of an emergency, instructions will be given right through them. Okay? Really don't even worry, and it gets this thing dated back to the Labour Fund. That's right, when no foreign ships would dare venture up the Thames. Especially here at land that the dairy port sits on is called the Isle of Dogs, and it's shaped like a very large horseshoe. Now just imagine that we're at the top end of one side of this horseshoe. This land